In this video, we'll see how we can create regular polygon and circle using Dynamo. First, search a node to create a polygon, that is polygon.regularPolygon. See, we have to create a circle here and we have to provide number of slides here. After that, we'll get a polygon here. See, for circle, we have node circle by center point radius. Now we will need center point and radius. Now we have to create a point here. We already know how to create a point, so quickly doing the steps here and connecting point to center point. We need a number slider here to provide the radius. Now run. See, a point and a circle is created. Now connect circle to circle and we need another number slider here to provide number of sides. Now giving the value 4 to create a square. See, a square is created here. Now you can change the value to 5. See, a pentagon is there. We can change the radius of the circle and we can also change the center of the circle. In this way, we can create regular polygon using Dynamo. In our next video, we will see how we can create wall from line using Dynamo. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.